Hello learners, welcome to the lecture 51 week 16 on computerized accounting part 1. I am Surbi Gupta and I will be talking about computerized accounting today. This computerized accounting is a part of your BCom program CBCS Financial Accounting course code BCOC 131 course code. Now let us talk about the computerized accounting. An accounting system is a collection of processes, procedures, and controls designed to collect, record, classify, and summarize financial data for interpretation and management decision making. Need for good accounting system is there for making informed business decisions. It is an effective tool that provides information which is easy to understand and thereby taking decisions. Accounting information, as you can know, can be maintained manually or in computerized form these days. In older time, it was only manual system through which the business firms and organizations used to maintain their accounting data. But with the advancement of technology, computerized form has also been introduced for various benefits. Now let us talk about the computerized accounting system. The computerized accounting system involves making use of computers and the accounting software to record, store, and analyze financial data of a business concern. You can say it is a software program that is stored on a company's computer, a network server, or is remotely accessible via the internet. It represents the technological advancement in the field of business accounting, which allows the users to set up income and expense accounts, manage bank accounts, to pay bills, and prepare budgets, and also allow users to prepare tax documents, handle payroll, and manage project costing. As we know that accounting can be done manually and the computerized way, so it is very much necessary that we should know the difference between the two, that is manual and computerized accounting system. Manual and computerized accounting system both performs the same function and the same processes. The accounting principle and the concepts are also the same, with the difference lies in the mechanism of the process. Let us discuss about the difference between the manual accounting and computerized accounting. If we talk of manual accounting, it is a system where we keep physical register of journal and ledger for keeping the records of each transaction. It means that whenever a transaction happens, it is recorded in the register which is known as journal, and then the entries are posted to the ledger. When we talk about computerized accounting, in this we make use of computer and different accounting softwares for maintaining a digital record of every transaction. Coming to the second difference between manual and computerized accounting. The second difference is on the basis of ledger accounts. We check the journal and then we transfer the figures to the related accounts debit or credit side by manually posting it. Whereas in computerized accounting system will automatically process the system and will make all the accounts ledger, since the voucher entries under its respective ledger accounts have already been passed. Coming to the third difference between manual accounting and computerized accounting. If we talk about manual accounting, we collect all the information of the balances of all accounts in our ledger, and on this basis we prepare the trial balance manually. Whereas in computerized accounting system, the trial balance is automatically made once the required data is fed into the software. Coming to the fourth difference between the manual accounting and computerized accounting, it is adjustment entries record. Both the adjustment journal entries and its posting in the ledger will be done manually one after the another. Whereas in case of computerized accounting, only adjustment entries will be passed in the computerized accounting software, and then these will be automatically posted to the respective ledger accounts. Now let's come to the fifth difference between manual accounting and computerized accounting. Speed. It takes time to prepare the required reports as all the transactions are entered manually by the accountant. Whereas in computerized accounting, once the data is fed into the system, one can create reports literally by just pressing a single button. If we come to cost and differentiate between the manual and the computerized accounting, you will find manual accounting cheaper than the computerized accounting system. Because in manual accounting, it is only the cost of the paper, pencil and the accountant who is doing the work. Whereas in computerized accounting, you require a machine, that is a computer system, and a software, and other expenses are also incurred like on training of the employee, program maintenance, cost for printer, paper, ink and other supplies. Now coming to the last difference between manual accounting and computerized accounting, that is backup. One cannot back up the records unless you make copies of all pages, a long and inefficient process. Whereas in computerized accounting, you can create a backup and you can restore that backup in case of any mishap or in case of any calamity like the earthquake, the theft, the fire or any other reason. Now, once we have discussed the difference between the manual and the computerized accounting, let's move on to the advantages of computerized accounting. The disadvantages of manual accounting gave rise to the need of the computerized accounting. The first advantage of using the computerized accounting system is automation. All the calculations are automatically done and therefore it eliminates many of the mundane and the time-consuming processes associated with manual accounting. Coming to the accuracy, it is designed to be accurate to the minutest detail as all the calculations are done automatically by the software. Data access. If you are sitting outside the office, in case of manual accounting, you cannot access the required records. But in case of computerized accounting, if you are sitting outside your office, you can see your data if you are using an online accounting solution. So this is one of the biggest advantage of computerized accounting, that your data is available 24/7, anywhere, anytime, any place. Let's come to the next advantage of computerized accounting. Easy representation of data in various formats. Because the data is maintained online, so because of the software, various data can be converted into tables and different charts very easily, so that it results in better analysis of the financial position. Reliability. As calculations are so accurate, therefore reliability is also high. Calculations are automatically performed by the software. Let's come to the next advantage of computerized accounting, that is scalable. With the growth of the company, the number of transactions increases and it becomes more and more complex. Hence, it is easier to shift in accounting software than through a bunch of papers. Next, we talk about the speed. As you know, that the entire process of preparing accounts become faster. Statements and reports can be generated instantly, quickly at the click of a button. So it is more speedy. Security. The latest data can be saved and stored in offsite location. As we have already discussed, that you can view the data anytime, anywhere, any place. So it is safe from natural and man-made disasters also, like earthquake, fires, flood, arson and terrorist attacks, and they can be restored later on. Now the last advantage of computerized accounting is cost effective. Since using computerized accounting is more efficient than paper-based accounting, then naturally work will be done faster and time will be saved. So I hope now you have understood the advantages of computerized accounting. As every coin has two sides, so as we have the advantages, there are disadvantages also of computerized accounting. Now let us discuss each disadvantage of computerized accounting in detail. Cost. While using software, one needs to buy the software, and also from time to time you need to buy the additional licenses necessary for other users and computers. It also requires to purchase upgrades or updates for additional features in the future. Second, reliance on computers. There is too much reliance on computers in this case. Every time you need to have a computer availability as well as internet availability. So if there is a electricity failure, in that case, you may not be able to enter the required data at that time. Maybe your system might get corrupt due to a virus attack. In that case also, it will create a problem. It will require data to be re-entered, or you have to wait till that problem is solved. Next is fraud. It is another disadvantage of computerized accounting. Software makes it easier for users to alter data, making fraud easier to accomplish. Therefore, it requires extra levels of security to prevent problems like fraud and embezzlement. If we talk about the manual accounting, in case of fraud, it is very difficult to do it. Whereas in case of computerized system, you can simply change the data and the result will be very disastrous. Next disadvantage of computerized accounting, that is human error. So if you are mistyping any data into the accounting software, it will result in serious error. The financial position of the business organization or enterprise may be misinterpreted. With the program performing calculations, also it becomes more difficult to trace the cause of the problem. The next disadvantage is training. Learning requires time. It is a time-taking activity. Software cannot be learned in just one day. Slowly and slowly, the concerned employee will learn and will use the accounting system. So this learning curve can result in costly errors to the business organization or enterprise. Time. It is very easier to write or type data into spreadsheet, whereas it is difficult and it takes more time to enter data into accounting software. The last and the least disadvantage of computerized accounting is additional software. For accounting software, you might have to require additional software in order to view reports. For example, if you have reports to view in PDF, you need to have a PDF format software so that you can read the report. So it is not feasible at times that additional softwares are available, and in case it is not available, then you have to purchase them, adding to the cost already which you are incurring in the form of the computerized accounting software. Let us discuss what you should consider while choosing any accounting software. There are various factors which influences your decision while choosing the accounting software. The first one is the size of the business organization. If your size is big, then your need may be different. If your size is small, you may not require a software which is having many features. So the size of the business organization will help you in choosing the accounting software. If your organization is large, then automatically you will require such software that meets the multi-user requirements, because your business may be geographically scattered and it may be connected through complex networks. Whereas if you are a small organization, you may simply opt for a simple user-operated software. Next, coming to the second consideration, that is ease of use. Software should be such that it is very easy to use for the accountant or the person operating the software. The interface and the navigation should be simple and it should be self-explanatory. Also, there should be options for data backup, that in case your data is lost, you can back up your data and your work keeps going. One should also give preference to vendors that offer help at no additional cost. They have the reasonable service plans, or they offer you the tutorial training that how to use the software. The next consideration is features. Various features are available within the accounting software like invoicing, online payments, payroll, auto payments, reporting, bank balances, and you should choose such features which will help you stay up to date on sources of business income, expenses, and where it may lead to make the required adjustments. The next one is the protects classified data. With the cloud-based software, With the cloud-based software comes the threat of classified data, falling victim to malicious activity. So it becomes very much necessary to ensure that the chosen software either meets or exceeds this standard. For this, you can have the secure socket, that is SSL encryption, multi-layered firewall, server protection, and routine external audits and inspections. The next consideration is compatibility. If there are other financial tools that are used on your business, so you should choose such accounting software which is compatible with your financial tools. For example, if there is an e-commerce system, then business would want to look into the compatibility of the financial software with any other essential software to run the online or storefront portion of the business. Next consideration while choosing the software is price. This need not be necessarily the deciding one, but you should always consider price as a necessary factor. You should be aware what are the different pricing models that is available to you in the market by the software product providers. So you should choose according to the need of the organization and also keeping price in the mind. Now let us discuss the accounting softwares which are available in India. Various accounting softwares are available in India and you can choose any software deciding on the factors which we have already discussed. Coming to the computerized accounting system, it is just the framework of storage and processing of data, and this is known as the operating environment. This operating environment consists of the hardware as well as the software in which the accounting system works. This type of accounting system used determines the operating environment. Now let us discuss about the accounting softwares which are available in India. The first one is the Tally ERP 9. You might have heard about this software and it is a very famous and very user-friendly software. It is a business accounting software used for the purpose of accounting, inventory and payroll. The software has been developed by Tally Solutions Private Limited and it is very user-friendly and easily there are people, trained professionals who are available to train about this specific software. So it is one of the most favored or preferred software. Almost all type of accounting activities, whether they are related to inventory, purchase, sales, cost, payroll and statutory year-end processes can be easily handled by this Tally software. Now the second software which is available in India is ProfitBooks. It is an online accounting software which specifically aims at small enterprise, that is suited for small business. It can be only operated on the internet as it is a cloud-based software. The data can be securely placed in a cloud and can be accessed anywhere. The third accounting software which is available in India is Mark. It is developed by Mark CompuSoft Private Limited and is well accepted in small and medium enterprises of India. The software is marketed for the last 2 decades in the Indian market. The fourth accounting software which is available in India is the Waves accounting software. Waves accounting tools are 100% free, they are secure, they are popular now in accounting community. They are basically one of the best web-based accounting software solution which is available at present. Next accounting software which is available in India is Xero. Developed by Xero, it is an award-winning web-based accounting software for small business owners and accountants. And all type of features are available within this software. The last accounting software in India which we are discussing right now is Reach. Reach accounting software is developed by the Reach Accountant. It is also an online accounting software and it aims and target at small and medium businesses only. The significant part of Reach is that all business operations are bundled in a single software and it ensures that the business owner is able to track every aspect of the business. So with this, The accounting softwares which are available in India comes to an end, but this is not the exhaustive list. There are many other softwares which are available in India and which are user friendly and easy to use. You can choose any of the software which is available for maintaining your accounting information. As we have already discussed, using accounting software has its own advantages and disadvantages. So, depending upon the type of organization and your need, you can use the computerized accounting softwares. Manual accounting is generally preferred by the small business concern which are having a limited number of transactions, whereas now accounting softwares are preferred where transactions are large and they are medium and the large business organizations. With this, we come to an end of the lecture series on computerized accounting part 1. We will continue this lecture on computerized accounting in the next series. Thank you so much.